Good evening. Now I'm going to take a seminar on DT based case video on polyurethane loaded D-mile for sinks. What is design thinking? Design thinking is a non-linear iterative process that teams use to understand users, challenge assumptions, redefine problems, and create innovative solutions to prototype and test. Uh, what are the five stages in design thinking? Design thinking is an iterative non-linear process that contains five phases, namely empathize, define, ideate and prototype, test, evolve. We can carry these stages out in a parallel, repeat them and circle back to the previous stage at any point in the process. Empathize. The first phase of the design thinking is empathize, where you can gain real insight into users and their needs. Define is a second phase of the design thinking, where you can define the problem statement in human-centered manner. Idea is a third phase of design thinking, where you can innovate solutions to the problem statement you are created. Prototype is the fourth phase of the design thinking, where you identify the best possible solution. The fifth and the final phase of the design thinking process was testing, where you test solutions to derive a deep understanding of the product and its users. This is the schematic representation of the design thinking process, which shows which is a non-linear and iterative process. The next, we will come to our case study. We will the case study was derived based on the design thinking process. The first you will see the empathy. In empathy, generally the case study was about the fabrication of scaffold for the wood dressings. Generally, the commercial scaffolds possess disadvantages, which disadvantage may be are less antimicrobial behavior and less cellular response. So define is to validate its potential for wood dressings. It should possess antimicrobial and cellular response. So we have to search for the literature review. It is showed that the wood dressing loaded essential oil showed higher antimicrobial and cellular response. I did from the literature graph is the literature graph is identified. It was concluded that the essential oil shows better antimicrobial activity and cellular response. So I did there are n number of essential oils available in the world. We have chosen neem oil in this study. Neem oil is reported to possess the better antimicrobial activity and suitable for wound dressing applications. Few reports also show that the wound closure potential of the neem oil. The figures was the neem oil. The neem oil is loaded into the polyurethane and it was tested for various characterizations to validate its potential wood healing applications. The prototype and testing in that case study was fabrication of wound dressing scaffold containing neem oil, performing antibiotic testing and in vivo animal wound closure testing. The above may be the results of the experiment were compared with the market products. If the results are positive, we can look for the patent or paper. Thank you.